In this video, I will show you a hack how you can scrape all available businesses in Google Maps and then also get the contact information of their founders, CEOs or owners. But first, let me explain you the big problem all Google Maps scrapers have in common, which is when you select a location in your Google Maps scraper and you tell it, for example, find me all hair salons available in Manhattan, New York, it would get you maybe half the results because Google shows only the most rated or the most popular businesses at that time and not all of them. And this means you are missing out on a lot of business and you are losing a lot of potential leads, right? But luckily, there is a solution to that. Let me explain you how it works. So first, you go to the LLM AI chatbot of your choice and you tell it, give me all zip codes of Manhattan, New York. And now you will get a list of Manhattan, New York. Oh, okay, so I didn't want this. So I want it as a list without any labels. Okay, yeah, let's just leave it like that. Okay, and now you copy this list and you go to Datablist.com. You open Datablist, and when you open Datablist, you first close here the sidebar and create a new collection and give your collection a name. Then you go to the Google Maps scraper and you paste your list here in locations and you select some keywords, let's say hair salon and plumber, and select the country, United States, where is it? Here. And now you select here a limit per search. First, let me explain you the search system in Datablist Google Maps scraper. So when you have here one location and one keyword, this would create one search. If you have two locations and two keywords, this would create four searches. So there is always hair salon, which is keyword, and locations. So two locations and one keyword create two searches, two keywords and two locations would create four searches. So when you have here a scraping limit of, for example, 20 and you have, let's say, two locations and two keywords, you would get 80 results, right? Because it's always the number of locations multiplied by the number of keywords multiplied by the number of locations of the scraping limit. So yeah, I hope this is clear. So when you select your scraping limit, you just click here on continue and now you'll get the business name, description, phone number, website and much more data. And you just scroll down and click on Run Import Now, and this will create a scraping task. A scraping task in Datablist takes about 5 to 10 minutes. Sometimes it could take 15 to 20 minutes. It depends on how much data you want to scrape. So as the more data you want to scrape, the longer it gets. But yeah, I will just click on pause now and then I will be back once this is finished. Okay guys, here we are. We just finished scraping, but there is one problem. So we got here the name of the business, phone number, website, booking link, rating, number of reviews, the link to the Google Maps place, the pictures count. Oh, they have a lot of pictures, 829. This is a lot. So yeah, as you can see, we got a lot of data, but there is no first, last name, email, or any contact information about the owner of the business or the CEO who you want to contact, right? And this is a problem all Google Maps scrapers have in common because Google Maps just doesn't tell you who is the owner of the business. But luckily there's also a solution to that, which is using Datablist AI agent to let it research the owner or CEO and get you their contact information. Let me show you how this works. So first you click here on enrich and you go to the AI agent and you select here the founder finder template, and now you go here down to this variable and click on slash and select the name of the business. And now you do the same with the website, and this will always replace the variables with your data from your collection, you know. So you get here the first name of the owner or CEO, the last name, the LinkedIn profile if they have one. So with local businesses, it's not always that easy because most local guys don't have LinkedIn, but if they have, the AI agent will find it and give it to you, and so you will then also get their job title. So you just click here on continue to output configuration and click here on these plus icons, and the AI agent will also give you confidence score. So you see, as you click here on these plus icons, you create a collection, a column in your collection. And then you just click here on instant run enrichment on all items. And this again will also take about 5 to 10 minutes to find you all the founders or CEOs of the business. And once this is done, I will be back. Okay guys, here we are again. So the AI agent just finished researching a few minutes ago, and it got us a lot of useful data. As you can see here, we got first names, last names, LinkedIn profiles, job titles, confidence scores, and yeah. So here we have Vlad Goldenberg, entrepreneur, their LinkedIn profile, the co-founder and presidents here, entrepreneurs, owner, presidents, founder, color, stylist. So here Wendy doesn't have a last name, but even if it doesn't find the last name sometimes, this is no problem, because as long as you have the LinkedIn profile, you can just use Datablist's waterfall email finder, which also works with a LinkedIn profile URL. So you could just use the LinkedIn profile URL to find their emails and then do direct outreach and close deals. So yeah, I mean, this looks pretty good to me, and the confidence scores are also high here. 90, 90, 90, 150. Yeah, we have some outliers that are not that high, but most of them are actually very high, which means that the results are accurate. So yeah, it looks pretty good to me, guys. If you have any questions about this workflow or about other workflows you want to run in Datablist, just leave me a comment below and I will reply to your comments or even do a complete video about them. Okay, so thanks for watching and see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.